welcome to today's video. Today I would like to introduce one of our production workshop. Let's go! Now we have come to our finished assembly workshop. Our finished assembly workshop includes the following 5 plates: sheet metal, power distribution, parts assembly, turning, inspection. Now, this Swiss-type machine's process is to do the empty rolling, when the result of the empty rolling will be qualified until the next step. This is the end of today's introduction. Next, I will introduce another workshop. Bye bye!